go. Okay, so it looks like we use the multiversal tesseract to be able to access the different realms. Then after that, we use this key, and then we can send the stones to Captain Britain, and then the Civil Warrior and his army will be able to fend off Kang and his minions. Alright, so I have the new arm. I got the springs ready. This new multiverse event is going to have to take place. The other one, Proven Project. Okay, let's go. Okay, so this new armor, Captain Carter's given me some new directives that I have to go through. I will have to endeavor